Hello, today we will guide you through how to download repository from GitLab. To begin, open GitLab in your web browser and make sure you are on the home page. This is the starting point where you can access your projects and repositories. If you are already signed in, you should be able to move straight to the next part. If not, complete the sign-in process first so your project list is available. Once you are on the GitLab homepage, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Projects. This section is where GitLab organizes the repositories you have access to. It helps you quickly locate the project you want to work with, whether it is one of your own repositories or one shared with you. After opening the Projects area, select the project you want to download. In this example, the project shown is a sample project. Clicking the project name will open the repository's main page where you can view files, branches, and other project details. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct repository before downloading anything. Next, go to the top area of the repository page and click Code. This menu gives you different ways to access the repository contents. For example, you may see options for cloning the repository or downloading it directly. Since this walkthrough is focused on downloading, this is the menu you will use. When the code menu opens, scroll down until you find the Download section. This section usually contains several file format options for downloading the repository as a compressed archive. Scrolling carefully is helpful here because the download options may appear lower in the menu than expected. Now choose the file type you want to download. GitLab commonly offers formats such as zip, tar, or tar-gz. If you are unsure which one to pick, zip is often the easiest option for most users because it can usually be opened without extra tools on many devices. Select the format that best fits your system or workflow. After choosing the file type, GitLab will begin the download process or prompt you with the next on-screen action, depending on your browser settings. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to save the file to your computer. You may be asked to choose a download location or confirm the save. Once the download is complete, you can open the archive and extract the repository files for use. And that's how to download a repository from GitLab.